Yes, my people, welcome back to the channel. Don't know one money ras never talk. Know what I mean? Outside with there, each and every night. I mean, I tell my people, see that one here? That one name, look for a driver, you know what I mean? I'm like how now watch it. Like how now watch it, you know what I mean? But guess what? Watching it now support the thing. So now have to like, share and subscribe my people. Yeah man, just continue. One money ras. Check out that one here. What am I say? I'm out.
Bad mind, you have to get out. Grudgeful, you have to get out. Envy, you have to get out. Watch me and them out. Me get them out, me get them out. Me make them have to shut them out. Lyrics me use and get them out. Look how easy me get them out. Me get them out, me get them out. Look how easy me get them out. Me make them have to shut them out. Lyrics me use and get them out. You think I know them want to see me fall. You think a little bit of them a say me nah make it. Me a tour now, me a score now. Half the whole world a scream out my name now. The pussy them a get vexed. Look how me make them get vexed. Them a shut up, them fucking mouth. Them say they couldn't do it. No, me a lock it, me a tour all about. Look there, watch out, me get them out, me get them out. Me make them have to shut them out. Lyrics me use and get them out. Look how easy me get them out. Me get them out, me get them out. Look how easy me get them out. Me make them have to shut them out. Bad mind, you have to get out. Grudgeful, you have to get out. Envy, you have to get out. Watch me and them out. Me get them out, me get them out. Me make them have to shut them out. Lyrics me use and get them out. Look how easy me get them out. Me get them out, me get them out. Look how easy me get them out. Me make them have to shut them out. Lyrics me use and get them out. You think I know them want to see me fall. You think a little bit of them a say me nah make it. Me a tour now, me a score now. Half the whole world a scream out my name now. The pussy them a get vexed. Look how me make them get vexed. Them a shut up, them fucking mouth.
Good! Yeah, you know see the boy laughters.
You wanna go up on the road?
The boy laughters, that. Come in, brother.
Yo, money I look fair from money, you know. Where they dog?
Go on, brother. Yeah, I start from morning, me I look for you, dog. You don't say no, say. On the road.
You know, I would grind me away machine, you know what I say? You know, I would set up already. Sometimes up, sometimes down.
You don't know, say the streets are talk and I say, yo, a big things are going. The man I say, yo, yeah, make big money and a sport. Press button start and one bugger thing. Me I say, yo, man, them say y'all buy a bike, you know. But, you know, forget Glenn of food, man.
Right, now someone, I want to pay Jimmy because we don't know what I'm doing. And we run off a thing and we don't know what I'm doing, you know. So we are there laughter. We know, you know.
Well, most definitely, you know, generally, you know, say, something off go on most definitely because the streets be talking about a thing going differently. I don't know when I'm thugs, you know, I can't left in a general, so don't know something off go on in general.
See. But make it up more, because we need to get that thing going.
Most definitely, man. The thing I go up on the right and proper way, man. So I just put my boot in the work right now, so that's why I'm on the road, that's why I don't see me in a general, because I'm not
I don't know, play thing, you know. See me I say, money I feel make, we have pitney for feed. Bag of things, you see me? And we now play with police and no pussy.
I don't have to make nothing in general. I really have to wear.
You see me? Wayans, what you say? Active. Where you go?
Yeah, man, they're on car, you know. Yes, they have on car, so you don't know.
Well, you have to go know where you go, you know, because taxi work and a joke thing. So, how you get my number?
But man, I want laugh as you see it. I'm not telling some boy I'm not look a car to drive. You see it, him done straight already, I'm in a straight, so Yeah, man. I saw me get the number. And so boy, I drive one boy.
One of the real serious driver. A decent person. Pick somebody who really serious to make money. And better than life. You don't want to joke. You know what I mean?
Oh, man. You don't know no man. It's a man like this, no mean not a class, man.
So you go on and I call me and tell me about how you a different person. And, you know what I mean? But how me I go pray the whole on the same? I go pray the whole on the same, you know.
It's a man like this, you know, just to do more of my work. I do the best here, you know. I can get all your money. You know, it's a when my time and my time. You see it. You know, it's a sat down my run. So I don't know, I say, boy, I just want for me one day. Sunday for wash car and something. You understand? So, you see your money. Yeah, man, you see it for the money, man. You don't have to worry about your money.
I'm not, you know, I just trust and believe. See, when you trust and believe, yeah, and you bring in the money, everything going.
Understand how thing going on? You know, so when I time I am bridging where none of my work will come on and you know, carry no money, you know. And the man never like what I got.
Yeah, man, just make sure you wanna still look like the rest of them.
Right, my boss.
You sound like a good person, so, do me I say?
You see me, you know, the original driver. You get me to come drive for you. I best thing I see by the road.
You don't know me live?
What I say? I don't have me to live.
Yeah, man.
Not near, man.
Yeah, man, I'm not that far, man, but then near. So, you know, when you're ready to come pick up the car, just forward. You see me I say?
Look how much you see me, man.
Now call her one laugh or so. But like what you said, I didn't hear the link. Now call him and confirm everything. So, you know, say, just don't be like it, you see me? Give them on the radar, you see me?
Yeah, man, big up.
Alright, that man. Oh, yo, you there call me?
Yeah, man, I made a shout out, man, bro. Yeah. Yeah, just to confirm, you know, it's a black man they want a car.
Yeah, it's call me and show me,
So,
see that.
him call you.
Yeah.
And him get show.
Yeah.
That's a confirmation, them. Alright, that good.
Alright.